Hi everybody, how are you? I'm doing great. So I have a new subscription. This is called my Zodiac Box. I have a few things to say about this box. This box is a brand new one. This is the first box that they have launched. It was supposed to be shipped on April 25th. And they had problems where people were getting the wrong boxes. What this is all about your zodiac. So every month, so my birthday is in April, I am an Aries. So every month I will get something that has to do with Aries. And I thought, oh, this is perfect because the first box launches in April and my birthday's in April. So I really don't know too much about the zodiac stuff, but I thought it was pretty cool. But what had happened was when they were shipping it out, I guess a few people got like the wrong stuff, because when you try to get this box, there is like a profile and you say your birth date and all that kind of stuff. And I guess they were getting the wrong stuff, their birthday months. So what they did was they stopped everything and they had to redo everything, box everything. So I am just getting this box today. Today is the 11th, so that is a big difference. So I'm not sure if this is April's box or if this is May's box. So the only thing I did was just cut the tape, because this is a dull knife. I need to get a box cutter, and that way I'm not struggling with it. But I don't know what's in here. So, oh, this is an expenses box too. This is $39.99 a month. I'll leave everything down below if you want to check it out. So let me know what you guys think of this box. Oh God, I just ripped everything. Holy crap, everything came out. Look, I hope the sticker came off of there. So that's what it looks like. That's nice. It has like a little sticker. All right, let's pop that open. All right, so when you open it up, it does come on top with a little book, and it says My Zodiac Box. Your monthly horoscope. Okay, so I guess they switched it to May's box, since they had all the problems in April. And what is this? Necklace by Designs, 24 karat white or yellow gold dipped. Gemstones for your sun. I don't know. And this would just be, I guess, for your Aries for the month of May, your horoscope. So it comes like this. Let's take this out and see. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing is constellators. I don't know. What is this? This Aries, your birthday is between March 21st and April 20th. This is yellow or white gold dipped necklace. I guess this is white gold because I did tell them that I do like white gold. So this is like a really pretty necklace. That's a really, really pretty. Let's open that up if I can. And that's another thing they did ask me, what do I prefer? Is it white? Like white gold, regular gold, or rose gold? And I told them white gold. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is really, really pretty. Nice and dainty. So this is just white gold dipped. So that's nice. It doesn't have like, I don't think it has prices. Let's see. No, it doesn't have prices on it, but I guess it just tells you what everything is in your box. Okay, the next thing is an Aries book, I guess. And then on the back, you have that. So this tells you everything about the Aries, so that's pretty cool. So like when Aries gets angry, communication and friendship, compatibility with other signs. So that's really cool. I don't know if you guys could even see that. I was out of focus. So, you know, it just comes with, you know, like all different things. So that's pretty cool. I don't know how much this stuff is worth. That's the only thing that doesn't have prices. So I don't know if it would be worth, you know, the 40 bucks a month. Okay, so then we have, what is this? I have no idea. It's a little stone. Open that up. It's really pretty, actually. So this is, oh God, this is beautiful. Nice stone. And what is this? Okay. So this is a red jasper. Red jasper is full of grounding earth energy. It can connect you deeply to the vibrations of the earth, bringing a greater understanding of the necessity of natural events. You can use jasper to further your knowledge of the connection between humans and nature. Red jasper aids in resolving difficult situations and can be used to ground and stabilize the aurora. Using jasper can bring helpful insights into view that can help to progress towards set goals or to understand why a change may be necessary. In general, jasper is known as the supreme nurturer. It sustains and supports during times of stress and brings tranquility and wholeness and reminds people to help each other. That is a very small print for me, so I am surprised I was able to read that. So that's pretty cool. Okay, I'll put that right in here so I don't lose that. Okay, what else do we have? So this looks like it's a candle, is it? What is this? Here we go. What does that say? Putty wax? Yes. Oh God, that smells really good. So there we have like a little candle. Let's see what this says. So this is an astrology book, of course. This would be Element Candle by Patty Wax, an air, earth, fire, or water. So I don't know what this is. If this, I have no idea. Okay, moving on. I think we have one more thing. So we have this. This is made in India, it says. And what is this? Hamburg trinket dish. Oh, like, okay, so it's a little dish. And it has like the Aries, you know, thing. So that's pretty cool. And that does have a price on here that says $12. So let me make sure that's everything. So that's everything in the box. I don't know for me if it's worth 40 bucks. Let me know what you think below. What do you think of this box? This is worth $12 because it has a price tag on here. I don't know how much this candle would be. It smells really good. It's a 2 ounce. I really don't know how much this would be. This is like a little thing. I mean, I can actually like pick this up anywhere, you know, I'm sure, to know about all my signs. So it's nothing out of the usual, you know. I mean, this is really, really pretty, but it's not all white gold. It's just dipped. So I don't know how much that would be. And the stone, I think that's a pretty cool idea. I have to read up more on it about jasper, but it's really pretty. And that's all that we got. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Is that worth $40? 1, 2, 3, yeah. I don't know. I don't think it is, but if you know about Zodiacs, let me know what you think of this box. I'm pretty, yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. This is my first box, and this is their first box that they are putting out, so I don't want to be too harsh. I know they're just starting. So let me know in the comments below, and until my next video, bye.